I write haiku, and the haiku is about my journeys in this place, the Willamette Valley, the coast, etc., etc. So I hope you don't mind haiku. It's so late for that. Not too late to make love. Not too late for haiku. Fallen oak ripples a quiet with Willamette River. Ducks question beavers. And this is true. This one. They're all true. Sun plays hide and seek over foggy mint fields. A wonder seen at 8. Waves at Depot Bay try to wake me at 3. Rocks are drums today. Acorn cuts diamonds on a bronze Willamette River. Oak proposes to birch. And this is one that I'm very delighted about. I find magnolia trees very interesting. Magnolia tease spring, naked to the rain and wind. Flowers perfume the burlesque. I find magnolia trees to be very sexy. Clouds in marching band uniforms perform over high school. Cameras flash at 4. And this is a real one that I saw on my way to Albany on a bus. Do you know the Loop? There's a bus that goes between Corvallis and LBCC. It's called the Loop. Anybody has been on it? And I was on the Loop, and I saw this on Highway 34. 12 oaks in grass field say hello with their beauty. Nature shapes bonsai. And this happened, and I will end with this. This happened 10 years ago, probably 9 years ago. Snowy owls rarely come to the Willamette Valley. I think one came here last year or this year. Rarely do they come to this area. And this snowy owl came to a field off of 34, Highway 34, between Albany and Corvallis. Snowy owl surprises a sheep pasture. Lambs wonder about their lost wings. Thank you.